This video is to record only answers for two questions. The two questions are question 1 and question 2. Question 1 is a simplification question of a function, and the picture shows the first part, and then the second picture shows the second part being done. In the first part, I have rearranged the like terms so that 3x and minus 2x are together, then you get a 3x squared, and then the others are the numbers 6, 12 and 8. And after rearranging them, they'll just gather together and you get 3x minus 2x is plus 3x and minus 2x is x, plus 3x squared, the rest of it. The last one is 26. That's for question part A. Part B is if I substitute 2 in place of x in the above function, and if you do that, you get 40. In the same way, I do the next question, which is C. C is a simplifying. I'm using BIM dash again, this time because there's brackets. Of course, I had brackets earlier too, but I forgot to tell you that. So I open up the bracket first, which is minus 2 lots of 2y plus 3. First, I'll start with 2, which is leaving aside the negative for the after I finish this, opening up the bracket, which is 4y. So if I open up 2 lots of 2y plus 3, it will be 4y plus 6, but the negative of it will be minus 4y and minus 6. Then the plus 2x. Similarly, when I do the opening end of x minus 2y, which is in bracket, it gets 4x minus 8y, and then plus 3x and plus 2. Rearranging them, and then putting the y's together on one side, I get 4y equals 5x plus 8, which is I'm just jumping a line now, and the last item is, so 1y will be equal to 1/4 of all of that, so it will be 514x, oh I forgot the x, there should be x there, plus 2, okay, and then that's for the first question. Second question, I'm using the same thing, same equation. Now I'm going to draw a graph. So it's y equals 514x plus 2. So I'll start with, now this time, unlike in the previous question, which is part B, I'm going to put 0 in place of x for a different expression. So if I put 0 for x, y equals 2. So that means in a graph, at x equals 0, y should be equal to 2 as you see in the graph. Now then again, I try another position for x, which is 2. And if I put that 2 there, y will be equal to 4.5. So you will find that 2, I have marked 4.5 there up on the graph, and then if you join the 2 points together, you get a straight line. So that's for that, okay? Now you could do the same way for algebraic functions but I can't, sorry, wrong number, that's for the third question anyway. For this question, now it says I want to solve them algebraically. I have put algebraically, I put y equals 0, and so 514x equals minus 2 because I rearranged that. So x will be equal to 4 on 5, or minus 4 on 5 times minus 2, which will be equal to minus 1.6. Okay, that's it. Those are the question 1 and 2.